Hello guys, again you are welcome to my channel Literature Classes. This is Abhilasha. Guys, today we shall discuss a very important literary topic, that is the Blast magazine. The Blast magazine, which is associated with Vorticism movement. I have discussed Vorticism movement in my previous video. So if you have not watched that video, please watch that video so that you will clearly understand the Blast magazine also, because these two things are associated with each other. So without doing a further delay, let's move right into the topic. So guys, what is this Blast magazine? This Blast magazine was associated with Vorticism movement and it came in modern age. What is this Blast magazine is? It was when it came. So this Blast magazine is associated with Vorticism movement in Britain. In Britain, a movement came after the effect of futurism, that was Vorticism movement. I have discussed detailed discussed in detail about the Vorticism movement in a separate video. You should watch that video also. It is a very short-lived magazine. It is a very short-lived magazine. The Blast magazine was associated with Vorticism movement. The question was asked in the CGPSC assistant professor exam that the magazine Blast is associated with. There were 4 options given: Vorticism, Imagism, Expressionism and Dadaism. So the answer was Vorticism. So see guys, there are 2 editions of it published in 2nd July 1914 and 20th June 1914. Blast magazine was very short-lived magazine. It came for a very short period of time. Okay, and there were 2 editions published. First edition was 2nd July 1914 and 20th June 1914. There were 2 editions, 2nd July 1914 and 20th June 1914. See the important point, but this publication was delayed and again published in July 15, 1915. This publication 1914 was delayed and again it was published in 15 July 1915. Both editions were published by Wyndham Lewis. Means the very important literary figure who was associated with this movement was Wyndham Lewis. Wyndham Lewis has edited this magazine Blast. Both editions were edited by Wyndham Lewis. The magazine was an emblematic of modern art movement in England and recognized as a seminal text of pre-war 20th century modernism. Okay, see, the magazine was an emblematic of modern art movement. It was an emblematic of modern art movement in England. There was a movement in England and this magazine was an emblematic of that movement and recognized as a seminal text of pre-war 20th century modernism. Pre-war 20th century modernism का ये क्या था, सेमिनल टेक्स्ट कंसिडर किया गया था, सेमिनल text recognize किया गया था. This Blast magazine was. I told you that there were 2 editions. So the first edition means Blast 1. Blast 1 was edited and written by Wyndham Lewis. I told you that both editions were edited by Wyndham Lewis, and this Blast 1 was written and edited by Wyndham Lewis. There were other contributors who also participated in this Blast 1. These are Ezra Pound, Gaudier Breska, Jacob Epstein, you can also call Jacob Epstein, Spencer Gore, Edward Wordsworth, Rebecca West. This Edward Wordsworth, you have to learn the spelling WADSWORTH, not WORDS. It is not William Wordsworth, he is Edward Wordsworth. Okay, the spelling is also different. The most part of this magazine was edited by Wyndham Lewis. Apart from these participants, there were two extract included in this magazine. That was the saddest story. The saddest story is an extract of Ford Madox Hueffer. Ford Madox Hueffer, this was the novel of Ford Madox Hueffer, and it was later known as the Gold Soldier, the Good Soldier. The Good Soldier, which was published under the pseudonym Ford Madox Ford, means Ford Madox Ford is the pseudonym of Ford Madox Hueffer. And when it was published, Ford Madox Hueffer was has published the novel Saddest Story, and later it was known as the Gold Soldier, the Good Soldier, and it was published under the pseudonym Ford Madox Ford. Okay, and this was printed in folio format. The next very important point of Blast magazine is it was printed in the folio format with oblique title Blast with bright pink soft cover in the first edition. The cover which was featured in the Blast magazine, the first printed in folio format, and the cover title cover was bright pink soft cover, which was called by Ezra Pound as Great Magenta. Great Magenta. Magenta. Great Magenta. Okay, so it was called by Ezra Pound for this bright pink soft cover. Next, the second edition, which was published in 20th July 1915, contained a short play by Ezra Pound and T.S. Eliot's poem Preludes, Rhapsody on a Windy Night, and Vortex by Gaudier Brasca. The second edition, which was published in 1915, 20th July 1915, the second edition came, and that time a short play by Ezra Pound was contained in that second edition, and also the two poems of T.S. Eliot. First was Preludes and second was Rhapsody on a Windy Night. These were also published in the Blast second edition of the Blast magazine. And other article that is known as Vortex, an article of Gaudier Brasca that was known as Vortex. It was also included in the second edition. See the next important point. Wyndham Lewis. Wyndham Lewis has written and signed the Vorticist Manifesto. There were some other signatories. Wyndham Lewis has written Vorticist Manifesto. A manifesto was published in the Blast magazine that is known as Vorticist Manifesto. Wyndham Lewis signed this manifesto and written it, and there were other signatories who have also participated, who have also signed this Vorticist Manifesto. These are very important figures: Edward Wordsworth, Ezra Pound, William Roberts, Helen Saunders, Lawrence Atkinson, Jessica Dismore, Henry Gaudier Brasca. These were the important signatories of this Vorticist Manifesto. Epstein also have participated because his work was also featured in that Vorticist Manifesto, but he has not signed. Who has not signed? Epstein. Epstein has not signed in the Vorticist Manifesto, but his work was featured in that manifesto. Okay. So guys, these are the important points which I have discussed in detail. These are very important points related to the Blast magazine, and I hope you would like this video. That's it for today. I'll meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.